This is the elevator at the UPMC Primary Care Center in at Edgewater in Oakmont, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis HydroFit MRL. It's a dirty door. Door kind of bounced too. Two. And here you go up. Two. Back down to one. I think this is like a waiting room or something. Something that I don't know what it was removed. It's a basic Otis cab. It's nice though, not sound still. LED pot lighting, I guess. Or like dotted lighting. Spotlight. Here, back at one. I'm still laser filming the one on the phone, even though it's a few years old. That's going to be it.